What's up traders, welcome to live trade setup video. Russia-Ukraine war, there is a high volatility in the market. We don't want war, but there is a good time for trading. There is a lot of volatility in the market. So today I will be showing my favorite pairs that is highly volatile. I will show you how I analyze the chart from A to Z, complete multi-time frame analysis, and I will tell you how I can trade with my students, and at the same time you can learn how you can trade these pairs. Now if you are interested about this, then do a favor for me, smash the like button first and also stick till the end to see how I am trading these highly volatile pairs. There are quite a few good trading opportunity. Now the last video was awesome, as you have seen that quite a few pairs worked out very well, but a few trades gone wrong because of the war started and suddenly all the market crashed. So today we have new opportunity, new fresh trading day, last day of the trading week and last day of the trading month. This month's really important. This video is going to be super important, so make sure you stick till the end. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Nizam. I'm a full-time Forex trader as well as author and foundation of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm Forex Wizard. The wizardry in this channel you will find will change the way you trade. So let's begin without any further delay. Let's start with GBP USD, guys. This is going to be awesome. Look at this pair, how it is dropping. GBP is highly bearish. USD is getting stronger because of the fundamental only. As you can see that this is the 4-hour chart, that is our base chart. GBP, how it is falling. Let's see on the monthly. Now we even don't need to see too much time frame because the price is highly bearish. Everyone is selling British pound. We will be selling British pound too. If you like it, then smash it now. Now let's see how it is doing. Now monthly British pound, technical perspective, it is highly bearish. Let me analyze the chart. How you can do that? Look at this one. This is a resistance here. Historically you can see quite a few monthly candle bounced from here, went back to the same level and again bounced from the same resistance. Now in this resistance you saw that head and shoulder pattern. So when you see strong head and shoulder in this type of resistance, this is a reversal pattern. So when you see a reversal pattern, you can expect the GBP USD to come back to this level. There is a big move to take based on monthly time frame. Let's see on the weekly what kind of price action it is creating. Now on the weekly, GBP USD breakdown has broken down from this important level of weekly trend line, which is a resistance. This is a bearish engulfer now going to be in this weekly candle. It's almost over the week. We see a strong bearish move, and because of this fundamental, as I told you, we could see a strong move to the downside. So weekly as well, we have a strong bearish momentum. Daily time frame, what we see that daily today so far the buyers tried to push little bit high. Now we see that strongly the sellers are selling from this market. So daily as well, we see the previous day there was a big breakout to the downside. So as a result, we could see further breakout. It could be a big move as there is war going on. Euro and GBP is dropping strongly. So 4 hour, how we can trade? Now as you can see, this is just 1 hour 40 minutes to go, this 4 hourly candle. And also today there will be a high impact news release. So on USD, so we could possibly see a bigger move to the downside. Than how I will be trading with my students. Basically I will be waiting for this candle to be closed. We could see possibly a bearish candle here. As soon as I will be seeing a bearish candle, based on how this candle is closing, I will be putting my entry order, pending order. Now I can't tell you exact level now because I have to see how this candle is closing. Most probably at the 50% of this current red candle, I will be putting my entry order, keeping my stop loss above this high. At least I will target 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, as this is a strong bearish market. Now we could see very strong movement to the downside. So this is the GBP USD, but if you take this trade, you must manage your risk. As you can see that market is very volatile. At any point it could start to move up, so make sure you manage your risk. So this is GBP USD. Now all USD pair could behave in the same way. The major pairs, AUD USD, same situation. Now as you can see that AUD USD or Aussie dollar, US dollar also broken to the downside. Now we see a healthy retracement to the upside. This current candle is also dropping. Now at the same time, we see on Aussie dollar there is a possible head and shoulder pattern. Now if, see, I will take only one USD pair, either GBP USD or AUD USD or other USD pair that I will analyze later, but which one will give me the best possible trading opportunity, will go for it. So what is happening on AUD USD? The same thing on the 4 hour. You see there is a long head, left shoulder and right shoulder. Now if this can, as you can see that there is a 20 period moving average also crossed this one. So this is the bearish momentum today, followed by this retracement, and we could see another move to the downside. This is the downtrending market at this point. So AUD USD, GBP USD, same kind of a structure, bearish and highly bearish, guys. Look at this one. There is a strong resistance here, and we could possibly see a big move to the downside as this one also. So if I trade this one, I'll keep my stop loss above this high, entry along this point. So entry could be around, let's say 0.7187, and stop loss will be 0.7220, and take profit will be at least 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. This is the AUD USD. Euro dollar and GBP USD is doing the same. Market is highly bearish, so we will have the same setup as GBP USD, Euro USD. Now I'll trade only one. As you can see that there is all the USD pair behaving same way, so whichever will give me the best setup, I'll do that one. Subscribe to my channel. I will update soon how I am going on these pairs. Now USD Cad. Now USD Cad also giving the same kind of analysis. All the USD pairs doing the same. As you can see, USD Cad is strongly bullish. As you can see, this is the trend line. The price is moving, and if you see that this is the 4 hour candle, if this candle closes something like that, I will consider buying USD Cad. Now USD Cad is one of my favorite pairs. It behave in a very gentle way. So if this candle closes something like this, as you can see, this 4 hour candle formed in a very strong level of support. Let's draw this level of support. This is the level of support. Based on monthly, USD Cad is bullish. As you can see, after this bullish candle, there is another one is forming, and we could see a strong move to the upside as USD getting stronger and stronger. Weekly time frame also, we see that after this back-to-back 3 weeks head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder here, you see USD Cad has formed an inverted head and shoulder pattern in this zone, and this week we see a move to the upside. Already it has gone a healthy retracement to the downside. Let's see on the daily. Now daily time frame, after this bullish candle, the price came here, tested this support resistance as a support. Now we see that buyers are buying from this zone. So 4 hour, Now this is the candle, that is entry candle on the 4 hour on USD Cad. So what will be the entry? Entry could be around by pending order, say 1.2795. Stop loss should be below 1.2770, and I will target at least 1.2871 or more based on how this price section is forming. So USD Cad, Euro dollar, GBP USD, Aussie dollar, same kind of setup. Any one of these is better, whichever giving the best trading opportunity. USD CNHS bearish. Okay, so against CNHS, USD is bearish. We see that after this head and shoulder, you see there was a head and shoulder here. As I mentioned in my previous video, there is a head and shoulder on 4 hour time frame. USD CNHS broke this head and shoulder, created a false breakout, and immediately we see a break to the downside. Now based on monthly, how USD CNHS is formed, look at this monthly chart. It is a highly bearish market, and we could possibly see at least to this level of support this month or the next monthly candle. So there is a high chance of dropping USD CNHS. Weekly time frame, how they formed. Now look at this one here on the weekly, what kind of price action it has formed. After this break, there is a consolidation, and then there is a break. Now we could see possibly further break to the downside. So on the weekly as well, USD CNHS is highly bearish. Now this is a bearish price action pattern. As you can see, daily time frame, how it has formed. Now on the daily, as you can see, the previous day the bulls tried to push the price high, they failed to do. Now we see that the price is dropping from here, and we should see the price is coming to this level of support, daily support, 4 hour time frame. How this forming? Now look at this one. After this false breakout to the upside, again drop. Now if this candle, now look at this one here, this 4 hourly candle closes something like this as a green, then I will considering going short on USD CNHS. My entry will be as soon as the candle close. My stop loss will be at least here. So the stop loss will be 6.3187, and entry will be candle close if this one closes as a green candle. Remember this, if this current candle closes as a green candle, and I will target to this level of support, which could give me at least 1 to 7 or 10 risk to reward ratio. That's how you have to trade. That's how the real trader trade, guys. You have to take a big profit, small loss. That is the real trading, not a big loss, a small profit. That's the losing mentality. Now smash the like button if you like this attitude. Now USD Jpy, as you can see with all other USD pairs, USD Jpy also showing bullish momentum, but I'm not gonna trade USD Jpy. I will remove it because dollar and yen both are showing strong. When there is a crisis, remember, always keep in mind in your head, when there is a crisis, dollar and yen become stronger. So they're both getting stronger. Strong currency with strong currency, not good idea to trade. Let's see USD ZAR if there is any trading opportunity. USD ZAR, let's see. I can't see any possible setup. Let me see on the monthly time frame. Okay, so this monthly candle is going to close. We could see bearish move on USD ZAR. Let's see on the weekly time frame. Okay, so USD ZAR, let's see. If not today, let me analyze for next 2 weeks or next trading weeks setup. So as you can see, this is the monthly candle is going to be closed. We could see a possibly a dodgy candle close. As you can see, the price is moving in this zone. So weekly time frame, what kind of price action it is creating? It's a bearish price action. Look at this trend line here. Weekly time frame, the price now rejecting from this trend line. This is the resistance here. This current week there is a resistance here, so we could possibly see another push to the downside on USD ZAR. Daily time frame, how we can see trading opportunity. Now previous day the price when they are tested this resistance, now we see possible drop. Let's see how the price action is forming. 4 hour, what kind of price action? Now this price action, now as you can see, all the USD pair is bullish, but USD ZAR on the monthly is bearish. So This instrument is still bearish. Let's see how the price action is forming. I'm not gonna trade now because I have to see how the price action is forming. I will update you on this one. Leave it this one for now because it's not sure how this price action is forming. Now USD ruble. USD ruble so far bullish, but it has created a bearish price action here monthly. This is now strongly, after the monthly hike, we see a strong move to the upside. The price created historically high. So leave this one because it is highly volatile as the war is going on. Ruble is extremely unpredictable. Remove it from the watch list. Let's see Euro JPY. Let's see what kind of price action it is creating. Euro JPY, leave it because we are considering euro dollar. We will remove Euro JPY. Let's see Euro AUD. Now Euro AUD showing a good trading opportunity. Let's see first of all monthly. What do you see that monthly time frame? The price just been rejected from here on the monthly time frame, and we see a strong bearish move. Now overall market structure for Euro JPY is bearish. Pardon me, Euro AUD. Starting from here, what you saw, there is a strong move followed by a correction, a strong move followed by a correction. Now we see a strong move. So this is a typical downtrending market structure creating series of lower high and lower low. So what you saw that Euro AUD just rejected from this level of strong level of resistance. Why it is a strong level of resistance? Look at the past. There is a resistance here and also there is a support here from the same zone, now acted as a resistance, and we see a strong rejection to the downside. So from here Euro JPY is likely to drop, as well as the fundamental news is impacting this pair. Going down to the weekly, we see that, look at this, after this back-to-back two double top formation, the price grab enough liquidity and we could see possible drop even crossing this level of support. So this is the nearest level of support. Let me draw it, that Euro AUD should reach. So we could possibly see a move to the downside at least to this level of support. So daily time frame, what kind of price action? Now after the previous day, you see there is a doji here on the daily. Now this doji, after this doji, what you saw on the daily time frame, the price crossed this doji's high and then broke to the downside. So there is a false breakout of this important level of doji. That means there is a stop loss that has been hit. Now we could see a drop. So there is a move to take on Euro AUD. 4-hour time frame, how price action is forming. Look at this. After this strong pin bar, it has crossed all this level here, grabbed the liquidity, hit all the stop loss. Now we see a possible drop. So how will be my approach? As you can see that after 1 hour and 25 minutes, this candle is going to be closed. So as soon as the candle closed, I will be waiting for a test of this support as a resistance. As you can see, there is a support here, and could possibly this price is moving to the upside with one candle. As soon as the price will be reaching here, I will place my pending short order from here with a high risk to reward ratio, keeping my stop loss above this high. Say, let's say stop loss around 1.5613, take profit should be at least 1.5378, entry should be around 1.55696. Finding value in this, smash the like button now. So Euro AUD, as you can see that if I trade Euro dollar or AUD USD, then I will not trade Euro AUD. If I don't trade any of this, then I will go for Euro AUD if it fulfills the condition as I mentioned, according to the rules of our strategy that my students is learning every single day. Now Euro AUD, let's remove Euro NZD, same pair. GBP JPY. Now GBP JPY, GBP USD, same kind of situation. As you can see, it is breaking to the downside. So same kind of analysis, same kind of setup. If I go short with GBP USD, I will not do anything with GBP JPY. Whichever pair giving the good trading opportunity, we will go for it. GBP AUD, same kind of setup as Euro AUD. Both pairs are bearish, so whichever pair giving me the best opportunity, I'll take it. The rest I'll remove from the watch list. So these are the currency pairs that giving me trading opportunity. I'm waiting 1.5 an hour to see how this 4-hour candle is going to be closed. But I mentioned I'm posting this video to help you before candle close, so that you can watch them and possibly make profit, or if it hits stop loss, make sure you manage your risk. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis and trade setup video. Make sure you subscribe and press the thumbs up button. Thank you. See you soon.